This is a very good question that I wanted to answer for everybody's benefit. He says, why does it, when I take HCL with pepsin, it stops me clearing my throat? It's because when your acid production is too low, the lower esophageal sphincter doesn't close and the acid comes from the stomach up into the esophagus, causing all that irritation, burning, throat clearing, all these type of problems. Which is why when I'm working with clients and I want instant improvement, I give them some Digest Purge, which contains HCL plus pepsin, plus some digestive enzymes, plus gentian root, which stimulates your own natural acid production. What that does is it will temporarily close your sphincter and stop you getting the symptoms. Now, it won't fix the underlying reason as to why your acid is low, probably H. pylori or yeast or both, but it will buy you time and make you feel better. So hopefully that helps.